I bought a new lamp, new flashlight, and it came way smaller than I expected. It doesn't fit my old holster. Well, I had a nice multi-tool holster laying around, so I thought, why not try that? Well, it certainly does protect the lamp. But this is a problem. It flaps around like crazy in there. Also, it's difficult to grab when all the way down. So, why not go ahead and build a new one? Something from scratch. I built this. Now, what did I do? First of all, I created a model of the lamp. Like this. It's close enough. It's just a cylinder and 2 cubes placed in the right location. Then I build a large structure around it from a cube and a larger cylinder, like so. You will notice that the lamp almost fits completely in there. Well, yeah. And this side here, where the block is, there goes the belt loop. Now, if we go ahead and subtract the lamp from the holster, we get the final result, something like this. Then export to STL, slice and print. Now there she is. A little rough and a little tight. Took the measurements too close. Well, not much to do about it. Made a new version, a whole 1 millimeter thicker. Fits like a glove. Now you will notice the metal plate down inside. That's because the lamp has a magnet on its bottom, solving a lot of tinkering with friction issues. Nice.